We're here for the technical analysis of VRME VerifyMe Inc.
Let's start with the general overview and trend. The stock has demonstrated significant volatility over the past 3 months, highlighted by a dramatic price surge on July 31 when it jumped from 0.70 to close at 1.39.
Before this spike, the stock traded in a narrow range between 0.70 and 0.79. Following this explosive move, the stock entered a consolidation phase, finding support around the 0.80 level.
In September, it has shown renewed strength, closing at 1.28 on September 19th. The overall trend appears bullish, with the stock establishing higher highs and higher lows after the initial surge. This price action suggests sustained bullish momentum and continued investor interest.
Now let's discuss price volume. Volume analysis reveals critical spikes aligning with major price movements. The most pronounced spike occurred on July 31, with over 175 million shares traded during the jump from 0.123 to 0.139. Another high-volume day was July 30, with over 16 million shares traded, preceding the surge. On September 19, volume reached approximately 12 million shares, notably higher than August averages, indicating renewed buying interest.
The stock consistently closed near session highs on these high-volume days, confirming bullish sentiment and strong accumulation by investors.
Moving on to moving averages, they paint a bullish picture. Shorter-term EMAs, like the 5-day at 1.0036 and 10-day at 0.9417, exceed their corresponding SMAs.
The current price of 1.28 sits above all listed moving averages, which is a robust bullish indicator. Long-term averages, like the 200-day SMA at 0.9551 and EMA at 0.9514, also trade below the current price. This confirms a bullish long-term trend. The alignment of shorter-term averages above longer-term ones reinforces the bullish trajectory and building momentum.
Now let's look at technical indicators. The provided indicators confirm a clear uptrend. EMAs consistently trade above SMAs for identical periods, which is a classic bullish signal.
The VWAP at 2.0145 significantly exceeds the current price, potentially suggesting undervaluation, although this is likely skewed by the exceptional July 31 volume spike. Overall, all technical indicators point to sustained bullish momentum, indicating further upside potential in upcoming sessions.
Regarding linear regression, while exact values are unavailable, the stock has maintained a distinct uptrend since the July 31 surge.
The regression line would show a positive slope, with prices consistently finding support at higher levels. September's price action demonstrates a departure from August lows, indicating strengthening upward momentum. The stock trading above the regression line reinforces the bullish trend and suggests a continued upward trajectory.
Now, let's forecast the next trading day's opening. Given the current momentum and the September 19 close of 1.28 near the session high of 1.35, the next trading day will likely open higher, potentially around 1.30 to 1.32. The strong close, position above key moving averages, and elevated September 19 volume all support a bullish opening, reflecting persistent buying interest.
Moving on to resistance and support analysis, key resistance levels include 1.35, September 19th high, and 1.48, July 31 all-time high. Immediate support rests at 1.20, September 19th low, with secondary support at 1.00, August-September pivot. At 1.28, the stock is closer to resistance at 1.35 than support at 1.20, positioning it in the upper range of recent trading. This proximity suggests potential resistance near 1.35, but a breakout could trigger rapid upside movement toward 1.48.
Let's discuss intraday RTR 14-based potential high and low values. Recent volatility indicates an average daily range of 0.15 to 0.20.
From the current price of 1.28, this projects an intraday high of approximately 1.43 to 1.48 and a low of 1.08 to 1.13. These ranges reflect the stock's inherent volatility and potential for significant intraday swings, providing traders with expected price boundaries for the next session.
Now let's consider possible scenarios. The bullish scenario involves breaking resistance at 1.35 to test 1.48 all-time high, supported by rising volume and momentum.
A neutral scenario would see consolidation between 1.20 and 1.35 as the stock digests recent gains.
The bearish scenario entails breaking support at 1.20 to retest 1.00, likely triggered by negative catalysts. Current technicals favor the bullish outlook, though traders should remain vigilant for support breaches.
In conclusion, VRME exhibits strong bullish momentum following its July 31 surge, with prices above all key moving averages and higher highs and lows established.
Volume spikes confirm accumulation, while resistance at 1.35 and support at 1.20 define critical levels.
A breakout above 1.35 could target 1.48, though failure to hold 1.20 may signal a trend reversal. The technical setup suggests further upside potential, but vigilance at support and resistance levels remains essential.